Hi Dennis and everyone else watching. This is a quick video of the Land Cruiser which we've finished doing our work on now. It's ready to get shipped over to you. I've put the new batteries on and I've put the new liner under the bonnet. It looks pretty good. I'll give it a little bit of a clean in here, but it's all running very nicely. I'll start the engine up in a minute so you can listen to it and also demonstrate the winch, which is now fitted and operational. You can see got the bumper on, got these steps. This one's a little bit rusty, but perhaps we can get it clean or plated later. Winch is a PTO winch, works off the factory PTO shaft, comes through there. That all fits and works pretty well. I'll show you in a second. And for people who don't know, this is a 1986 Toyota Land Cruiser HJ61 and it's really in excellent condition. You can see the paintwork all around. It's nice and tidy, good chrome, the interior is nice. Got some wind deflectors in there. Carpets are good, that one's a little bit worn there, but we knew about that. We've got the headrests now in the back of it, and also got the new center console. That all looks very nice. So I'll get Barney to give it a start. Give it a start, Barney. That's a Toyota diesel, sounds as fresh and as responsive as when it was new. Very good. This car, I should say, has only done 90,000 kilometers, which is very rare for a car of this age. I've just got the winch cable wound out there, so I just wanted to demonstrate that it's working. So there's Barney's put the engaged the winch, and that's going to wind in like that. You've got to be careful with this winch because it's pretty powerful. That's connected straight to the transmission of the car, so your 4-litre turbo diesel engine is pulling that winch now. It's not electric, it's working off a PTO power takeoff shaft. That's going to wind in all the way. It's got a nice big hook, you can pull a boat with that. Just don't attach it to something that weighs more than the car or it will tip the car over. Okay. So there we go, winds in like that all the way, and you can release it with this lever here, and then it's freewheel. Hook it onto wherever you want, like so. And it's pretty agricultural, this thing. You have to be strong to work it. There we are, that's locked in now, so it won't fall off. We'll just have a quick look underneath of this car as well. I'll just show you, I'll put the fog light on the back. If you don't like where that is, Dennis, you can move it, that's no problem. Just jump out a second, Barney. So now we've got, you're asking me about this seat. It's really not that collapsed, you know. I don't think, and my trimmer guy said he doesn't think he can make it much better. I've put the fog light switch here, kind of matches with the other switches. Switch on the lights, that will come on, like so. The electrics on this car are 24 volts, so remember that, Dennis, if you ever change bulbs you need to get 24 volt ones. 90,000 kilometers, you can see there. Steering wheel still pretty good. Carpet mats, carpets themselves, all nice. Headlining is good as well. Got the altimeter, everything's working there. And it's pretty warm here, 31 degrees. Very humid today. You'll see the window misting up a little bit. This air conditioner in this is excellent. It's working very well, which is great news. So we're going to get this car shipped out very soon. We've really enjoyed working on this. Interesting old car to work on. Good to put some extra parts on for you, Dennis, and I hope you're going to like it. Anyone else looking for something like this, these nice old cars, this is a bit of a classic now. They are not cheap to buy, but this is in excellent condition and probably will increase in value in the future. So if someone else is interested in something like this, contact myself at JPD Japan or Thomas in Denmark. We can send this kind of car to Denmark, Sweden, Norway, Germany, this would be available to import into those countries. So have a look on our website, jpdjapan.com. There's more information on there. We can ship this as a car individually, or we can put it in a container with other parts. Really depends on what you like to do. So again, thanks for watching. Dennis, I hope you're going to really enjoy this car. I'm not sure what kind of safari plan you've got, but I hope it's going to be interesting. You can see the bonnet is closed properly. Thanks again for watching.